Now question number second. Evaluate the following. First part. 2c1 into 7c4. 2c1 into 7c4. I will write factorial 2 upon factorial of 2, factorial of 2 into factorial of here NCR, factorial n upon factorial r into factorial of n minus r 2 minus 1 into factorial of 7 upon factorial of 4 into factorial of 7 minus 4. So how will you write? Factorial 2 upon factorial 1 into factorial of 1 into factorial of 7 upon factorial of 4 into factorial of 3. How will you solve? Factorial 2, 2 into 1 upon 1 into 1 factorial, that is 1 only. 7 into 6 into 5 into, I will write factorial 4 upon factorial 4. It will get cancelled by this factorial 4 into factorial 3. I will write 3 into 2 into 1. 4, 4 cancel factorial. This 2 cancel. 3 to the 6. So 7 to the 14 into 5. 5 for the 20. 70. So answer is what? 70. First part is 70. Now second part. Second part you can see 2c0 plus 3c1 plus 4c2. How will you write? Factorial 2 upon factorial of 0 into factorial of 2 minus 0 plus factorial of 3 upon factorial of 1 into factorial of 3 minus 1 plus factorial of 4 upon factorial of 2 into factorial of 4 minus 2. Factorial 2, that is 2 into 1 upon factorial 0, that is 1 into factorial of 2, that is 2 into 5 plus factorial of 3. Factorial of 3 upon factorial of 1, 1. Factorial 3 minus 1, that is factorial of 2. Plus factorial of 4 upon factorial of 2 into factorial of 2. 2 cancel. Plus, so here it is 1 plus factorial of 3. I can write 3 into factorial 2 upon 1 into factorial 2. Factorial 2, factorial 2, factorial 2 cancel. Plus this factorial 2 I am writing factorial 4 upon the factorial 4 I will write 4 into 3 into factorial of 2 upon factorial 2 plus this into 2 factorial, that I will write 2 into 1. Factorial 2 cancel, 2 to the 4. So it will be 1 plus 3 plus 4 to the 8. So 8 plus 3, 11 plus 1, 12. Answer is what? 12. Is it correct? No, it's wrong. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Why it is wrong? I will check. 2c0 plus 3c1 plus 4c2. Second part, 1 minute. Factorial 2 upon factorial 0, factorial 2 minus 0 is 2 only. Factorial 2, that is cancelled, plus factorial 3 upon 1 into factorial of 2. So it is 3 plus here factorial 4 upon factorial 2 into factorial of 2. So factorial 2 into factorial 4 into 3. Okay, 2 3s are, okay, here it is not 2, it is 2 3s are 6. Here I have done mistake, that is 6. 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So answer is 10. Second part is over. Now third part you can see. Third part, that is 13c6 plus 13c5. So factorial of 13 upon factorial of 6 into factorial of 13 minus 6. So how much will come? 7 plus factorial of 13 upon factorial of 5 into factorial of 5, 13 minus 5. So we will get what? 8. Factorial 13. So 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into factorial 7. I will stop here, so it will get cancelled by this factorial 7. This is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into factorial 7. Plus factorial 13, I will write 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into factorial 8. Upon factorial 5, I will write 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into factorial 8 is factorial 8. So it will get cancelled by this. It will get cancelled by this. 6, 5. First, 6 to the 12. 5 to the 10. 4 to the 8. 3 to the 9. Now it's over. Now this 2 cancel. Is it fine? This is 2 only. Here also you can cancel. 2 5s are 10, 5 5 cancel. 4 3s are 12, 3 3 cancel. So now what is that? 13 into 11 into 2 3 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12. 13 into 11 into 12 plus here 13 into 11 into 9. 13 into 11, 13 into 11 common. 12 plus 9. How much will come? 12 plus 9? 21. So 13 into 11 into 21. 13 into 11. 1 3 is 3, 1 1 is 1, 1 3 is 3, 1 1 is 1. 3 4 143 into 21. 1 3 is 3, 1 4 is 4, 1 1 is 1, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 is 2. 3 0 3 0 0 3. Answer is what? 3003. 3003 is the answer. Third part is over. Now fourth part. Fourth part you can see 19C17, 19C17 plus 19C18, 19C18, 19C17 plus 19C18. Now let's solve factorial 19 upon factorial 17 into factorial of 19 minus 17, that is 2, plus factorial of 19 upon factorial of 18 into factorial of 1. Factorial 19, so I will write 19 into 18 into factorial of 17. So it will get cancelled by this factorial 17 into factorial 2. I am writing 2 into 1 plus factorial 19. I am writing 19 into factorial of 18 upon factorial of 18 into 1. This factorial 18 cancel. Factorial 17 cancel. 2 9s are 18. 19 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 1s are 9 plus 8. 17 plus 19. So how much will come? 190 is the answer. Thank you.